Wahala Dey. We don't come again for this our entertainment season. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do well to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell where you dey get confirm and ogbonge gist from this our platform. This one will be them say. This one see as it be and hear am for yourself. My people, on today's news, we want to talk about this girl where they call Mesoma. She scored 362. Jamb give her 362 for exam which she writes. Innocent Motors come and say they want give her scholarship for Anambra State. So say they want give her scholarship. Say she really do well. Say they go sponsor her to finish her education. Jamb come and talk say the girl don't go manipulate that result. Say no be she get that scholar. Now this girl don't come out, they talk say why she go manipulate her results when she not be dull person. Say right from nursery school she just they collect first, they come. Say she not dull, so why would she go and even think of manipulating that kind of result? She can say they don't go report the matter to DSS. DSS can say they want to investigate the matter. Say Jamb never wait when DSS investigate the matter finish. They just come out and now say she go fake her results. Say she did traumatized. Say she not dey happy at all because this kind of thing, it not be good thing for her. My people, how many I go fit talk? May I play on the video? Make una see wetin she talk. Make una hear. Make una watch this video till the end.
And don't know these results. I went to Jamb portal to print these results, and this is what they gave me. This is the result here. So this is my aggregate 362. This is exactly how I printed it and downloaded it from that site. So they now saying that I forged my results is what I don't know, and I'm traumatized that they accused me of forging my own results because I'm not capable of this forging results. This is the evidence. Okay, they say that I forged my results. They scanned this QR code there, and it showed another name, a Yoruba name, Omotola Afolabi 138, and that same person that got 138, they checked again, the person got 338. Meaning that there is problem somewhere. So, and we went to Commissioner of Education office on Friday last week. My principal and the educational secretary of Anglican Girls Secondary School, or Anglican Diocese. So we went there. We showed all these results to Commissioner of Education. Wrote this on an SMS they sent to me, and she snapped it and sent to the Jamb official. They called back saying that this is a forged result, and I forged it myself, that the Jamb office don't have the record of this. So they now say that I forged it, and they called the DSS over to come to her office. The DSS, they took us to their office, and we made our statements there, and they said they will contact us later, that they are going to investigate these results to know where the source came from. So that's what they said, and instead of them to wait for the investigation to be over, they posted that I forged my results without confirming. So I'm really sad that that's it. And it's not that since my nursery school I've been taking first, I'm a brilliant girl. It's not that I'm an illiterate person that will go and forge her results because I'm not intelligent to impress people. I've been taking first position since my nursery school. Even my common entrance, it was 300 and something.
So my people, what I think concerning this matter, open and don't watch the video. Really the girl not really dey happy. I would like to know your opinion concerning this matter. Make una comment for comment section, and make una not forget to share so that people go know wetin dey happen around the world. Until we meet again for another news, make una stay safe. Una do.